Learning geography is vital in understanding man-nature relationship. Knowledge of geography provides deep insights to analyze geopolitical issues, economic system, demographic structure, and contemporary environmental issues like climate change and sustainability. Studying resource geography highlights the spatial distribution of different types of resources available in the earth. This course is based on the syllabus developed by UGC for undergraduate students, that is BA or B.Sc in geography. However, it is of multidisciplinary applications. This course is useful for the civil service aspirants and anyone who is interested in studying resources. This particular course on resource geography is spread on 15 weeks with 50 e-content modules. Students will be awarded 5 credit points and a certificate upon clearing the proctored examination. So, my dear learners, get ready to join the MOOC course on resource geography.